President needed to talk to me urgently. So that's why I've delayed. So I apologize.
Okunye futhi ukulinda kulokhu kuhlehliswa kokwethula kwalombiko wesihlanu nokungokugcina kumenyezele emahoreni njengaphambi kokuthi kwenzeke. Lombiko manje usuzokwethula ngoLwesithathu eKapa. Umbiko wokuqala wakhishwa ekuqaleni kukaMasingana kanti wawugxile kakhulu enkampanini yamabhano iSAA, iphephandaba lomndeni kaGupta, iNew Age kanye nesikhungo esiqoqa intela iSARS. Ebantwini abaningi kulelizwe kube ukulinda isikhathi eside seminyaka emine emva kokumenyezela kokusungulwa kophenyo lokuqhwagwa kwamandla ombuso.
It's been a grueling 4 years of the commission. In a few days' time, the 9th of January, we will complete 4 years since the announcement of the establishment of the commission.
Uma umbiko ogcina usutetelwe kuzoba kumengameli uRamaphosa nohulumeni wakhe ukunquma ngendlela eyaphambili. Ekuqaleni wamemezela ukuthi uhulumeni uzolinda umbiko ogcwele ngaphambi kokumemezela ngenqubekela phambili. Kodwa lokhu akunqabeli ezinye izikhungo kuba zithathe izinyathelo kwegunya lazo.
We will, however, commence with the process of considering the parts of the report as they are submitted to the presidency, and will be putting in place appropriate mechanisms to effectively and to thoroughly process the findings and recommendations.
Kusukela lapho kwakhishwa imibiko emithathu egxile ebufakazini obuthinta iTransnet, Busasa, Eskom kanye nesigameko sokukhishwa kophahla iasbestos eFree State kwezinye zezinto.
Kumele libukezwe iqhaza kanye nendlela elakhiwe ngayo iParliament nangendlela nje lwenza ngalo umsebenzi walo. Lesikhunga kumele futhi silinde umengameli wezwe ukuthi ethule umbiko wekhomishana ebiphenya Izolo zokuqhwagwa kwamandla ombuso ngaphambi kokuthi kube khona izinyathelo ezithathwayo. Lona umbono kaNgotwezomthetho njengoba kubambezelekile ukukhishwa komlibatha wokugcina umbiko nokubika ukuthi usuzokhishwa ngoLwesithathu.
Ukukhutshwa kwengxelo yokugqibela yekomishoni ejongene nokubanjwa ngobhongwana kukarhulumente ilibazisekile emva kwesibhengezo iofisi kamongameli nale komishoni eveze kuba le ngxelo yokugqibela iza kukhutshwa ngoLwesithathu. Ebutsheni balenyanga iParliamente ithe izaziphonononga ingxelo esele zithwethaca phambi kwalendlu yowisomthetho.
Based on legal advice received, Parliament has already commenced work on the 3rd and the 4th reports. Members implicated while serving as members of Parliament and those who are still MPs have been referred to the Joint Committee on Ethics and Members' Interest to consider the allegations in order to determine if there was a breach of ethics code.
Amalungu aseParliamente angaphambili abandakanyekayo kwezingxelo aza kuyalelwa kuba avele eParliamente. Kusenjalo ingcali zomthetho zithi iParliamente kuza kufuneka inyuse ikawusi.
So Parliament will certainly have to engage with that, and particularly any recommendations that Chief Justice Zondo may make with regards to the functioning of Parliament and in particular its oversight role. We can also expect other systemic recommendations in the final part of the report, dealing with, for example, appointments to senior positions in the public service.
The Chief Justice has already indicated that the state will have to assemble an army of prosecutors to do the work required to prosecute the thousands of miscreants who have involved themselves in state capture.
Le komishoni ithi inkqubo yayo ibambezelekile ngenxa yokuqinisekisa kuba le ngxelo ayizokubambezeleka ngamakhwiniba. Bulelani Philip, SABC News eParliamente.